okay?
Yeah, one thing at a time.
One thing at a time, right. We'll get the blood.
Yeah, okay.
That's easy.
Yeah.
And then we'll get the ENT, the hearing.
Yeah. Good.
And then we'll get an appointment for the MRI, okay?
Okay.
And then keep walking and